My favorite part about being on this retreat is definitely the environment, and we're just in this beautiful tropical place. And the sun is shining, we hear the birds chirping, we hear the coconuts clinking. It's just a really relaxing but also inspiring place. Going on a yoga retreat is different than just a regular vacation because it adds more intention to the vacation. We are here on this retreat to have fun and to experience a community together, and having that piece of yoga adds just another level to the fun.
You manage to also truly relax on the vacation and not have to worry because everything is organized for you. So you just show up and everything's taken care of and you just relax and enjoy it.
So as a yoga instructor, I truly believe that yoga is for everyone. That yoga is not a one-size-fits-all practice, but instead that there can be a way to move and breathe that feels good for every single person that comes. So if you're a beginner and you've never even been on the mat before, or if you've come 100 times, I'm gonna adapt the practice to meet your needs.
As a guy and a beginner on a yoga retreat, I felt like it was really approachable. It wasn't out of my league. I managed to learn a little bit at a time and really ease into it.
I think anyone of all levels can come to yoga retreats, and it's not just for advanced students. I think it's for all students, and anyone is a student, even if they've never even done yoga.
Anyone that has any situations that they're dealing with through surgery or joint pain, this is a perfect place and a perfect way to almost continue to be good to yourself in a rehabilitating way. I just was offered great poses and some that I should do because of my knee replacement. That in itself was just so wonderful.
My favorite part about being on this yoga retreat has probably been meeting all these amazing girls. I've met so many beautiful people and it's life-changing.
The people that have come to this retreat, all the girls have been amazing. They've been really supporting, and it's really interesting to see how we all come from different backgrounds, but in the end we're all here for almost the same purpose. I've had so much fun with everyone, and now I have 13 new friends.
We've said so over and over and over how this is a judge-free zone and how we're just supporting each other.
It felt like the participants on this retreat became very, very close and almost like we knew each other since forever within a day or two.
This is the 5th retreat that I've hosted, and I think that it is one of the most special retreats that I've ever done, mostly because the blend of yoga and culture and adventure and just every little thing being included in our package, from a full body massage at the spa to healthy, delicious food and fresh squeezed juices.
So my favorite part of the retreat was the opportunity to go to Cape Cocker Island. I thought that it was an amazing experience to go snorkel with the tiger sharks and the manta rays.
We had smoothies, we put our toes in the water, and it was just an even extra special day in addition to the yoga that we did.
So I would say that this retreat is for absolutely everyone and anyone that's looking to step outside of their comfort zone. Someone who maybe is feeling a little stale in their life, or somebody who wants to try yoga for the first time and doesn't feel like they have that safe space.
If someone was scared to come here for a first time, I would say don't let your fear have you. This is the best experience that I've ever had in my intention of relaxing and feeling absolutely at one with myself and enjoying everyone else out there.
Don't let fear stop you from doing something, because chances are that it's going to be the best time that you've ever had in your life.
If I could describe this yoga retreat in one word, I would say it was approachable.
I think bonding.
Horizon broadening.
This would be bliss.
Detox.
Love.
Life-changing.
It doesn't matter how old you are, what your gender is, or if you've ever done yoga before. Our retreats were made for you. Namaste.